do not believe those fake news because I always try to listen those news from the proper channel. Those channel has good name, fame. So I just say, do they are.
Good afternoon, Shatabdi.
Good afternoon. Very good afternoon. How is everything going?
My day is going very good and fantastic. And how is your day treating you?
Yeah, the day is going good, but the day was not productive because today I woke up early in the morning, like 4:30, and then because I live in a village, so I face some internet issues here. So what I do, I just wake up early in the morning, and it's my habit. You can say also for not for downloading the video. Then just start downloading all my videos. I take 2 3 sessions every day, so I just start downloading all my videos and after downloading because the internet connection is good at dawn, so that time I try to utilize that time. So today the day was not productive because
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Go
after
ahead.
after teaching my students, I just had my breakfast, and after having my breakfast I tried to read books, but I couldn't. I slept, and then I woke up at 1:30, and then I had my lunch. And after having lunch, I thought let's connect with co-learners because it's necessary. And then I start talking, and before you, I was having a conversation with a co-learner, and as he is a language trainer and also a public speaker. So
Mm-hmm.
after having conversation, I saw your message. Then I sent you the message that I am free.
Mm. So, how many sessions do you take in a whole day?
Yeah, I take 3 sessions.
Three
I
sessions.
start I start taking sessions at 11, and I finish at 12:30 or 1 o'clock. And then I just
Mm.
had my lunch, and after that I take a little nap sometimes.
Are you taking also audio conversation?
Yeah, I take sometimes. I take.
Okay. Because I'm taking only one session. But sometime if the video clarity is not good and some other problems, that time I'm taking I think two sessions. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, and it's quite good. If you are talking for 1 hour, that is quite good. And I
Mm.
also talk for 2.5 hours every day. I am talking these days. And
Mm.
today I took an audio call as well with a ma'am. See, and
Mm.
we talked for 30 minutes. And after that, I slept.
Do you think like you are taking audio calls also, video conversation also? After that, you are observing like you are improving day by day.
Absolutely, I can share because every day what I do, I learn every day new words and I share those words with other co-learners. So it
Mm.
helps me a lot to remember for a longer period of time. Earlier, what I used to feel that words didn't come. If someone would ask me to share any new words, I couldn't. But this is I can share words, so many words I can share with co-learners. So every day I
Mm.
just try to share new words with co-learners so that our audience also gets to know, and it also helps me to remember. So this is how it's going,
And
and I can
yes, and
I
I also
can
had started this section. I am also sharing some idioms, good vocabulary also in my video.
okay.
Okay. So what do you think about social media?
Social media platforms, they're really helping us, and it has both advantages and disadvantages. Just because of the social media platforms today we are talking, so it's a great
Hmm.
advantages for all of us, and there are some disadvantages too. But we
Hmm.
we are the one we can if I want to utilize my time properly on social media, I can. If I want to just keep on chatting with others, and I just try to utilize my times in other ways, then definitely it is not going to help me. So
Hmm.
it's depends on individuals how you are taking that. It has both pros and cons both. It has advantages, disadvantages. You have to choose what you want to take from that media.
And
So
sometimes we
what
are
do you think?
reading some news also. and sometimes they are fake news. Okay, but when we are reading that
Mhm.
time, oh, we are thinking, oh, this has happened in this area. Have you ever read this kind of news which was fake news?
Yeah, I have read this kind of news too. I do not believe those fake news because I always try to listen those news from the proper channel. Those channel has good name, fame. So I just take to their words as a truth. I do not watch any other platforms.
Okay, do you also listening some English news channel?
No, these days I'm not listening to any English channels because these days I have been focusing only on my speaking part. So whenever I'm just getting time, I'm just speaking with others. And as I have been running my YouTube channel, so it also takes time. Sometimes I have to edit my videos and then I have to upload those videos. So it also takes time. For my channel, I have to make videos, so it also time taking. So time flies
But I
away
think,
without realizing.
but I think this kind of conversation takes, I think, less time for uploading.
Absolutely, absolutely. This kind of a conversation is quite convenient because those people who make vlogs, they put a lot of effort to make a single video. So
Mm,
though they are really those videos they make I have seen because I have a few cousins they make videos
mm,
vlog videos. So they take a lot of time to make this kind of videos. So
mm,
these kind of videos are quite easy because we are speaking whatever is coming in your mind. I am just saying with you, and after that I am just going to download it, and I have to edit a little bit, and then I'm going to upload this video. So this kind of conversations, these videos are easy to make. But
mm,
I would not say that it is easy. It also takes because here also consistency needed. So we have to be consistent all the time. So everything takes efforts.
Do you think
Nothing.
social media is given equal opportunity to every, like who are using social media and they can show their talent? Do you think like this?
Absolutely. Absolutely. There is no boundaries, no limitation. Poor people, rich people, all people can utilize this. And there are a lot of channels who comes from very poor background. So
Hmm.
they're also making a lot amount of money on YouTube platforms. So this is a YouTube also a social media platform. So they are making good amount of money. They're making their name, fame, everything. They're getting everything. So I would say that it is helping all the people.
Mm-hmm.
There is
So,
no
what
such a
do you think about
discrimination at all.
what do you think about educational channels?
Educational channel, they're also helping us a lot because one who can't afford, for example, if someone wants to learn this language, English language, and there are many language learning platforms, English clapingo, cambly. So they charge they take a lot of money. So
Mm,
it's impossible for poor people to give that much amount of money. So those people who can do, they just watch videos from YouTube and they can
yes.
learn this language. They don't have to pay that much amount of money.
Mm-hmm.
So it is quite educational channels are quite good for all of us. They're helping a lot to learn new things every day. We are
Mm-hmm.
getting so many things for free of cost.
Yes. If they are continuously listening the podcast, English content, and after that they are trying to speak, I hope they can speak easily English.
Absolutely, one can speak. And nowadays, and this application also helping us a lot. So this kind of groups people have made. So these are also quite good for all of us.
Apart from this app, are you also using any other app for audio calls?
No, I am not using any other application these days because this is quite enough. Or there are a lot of co-learners. Whenever you are free, you can just send a message and you just can connect with co-learners. So I don't need any platforms. And on other platforms, they're not that much serious as
Hmm.
these learners. So here,
Yeah.
all the learners are very serious and they want to achieve their fluency. They all are dedicated to learn this language. So it's better to connect with those people who are dedicated and devoted to this language. So I always prefer to talk on this application only.
So now I can share some good idioms. If you want, then
Yeah,
I
sure,
can.
please, please. I would love to know.
Okay. Like first idiom is tickled as pink. Tickled as pink. It means happy and elated. After getting a
Oh,
new car, I feel just like tickled as pink.
okay. Pickle as pink. Okay.
Yes, tickled as pink. Tickled. Tickled as pink.
Oh, pickled as pink. Okay. Okay, I got it.
Second is being like being red. I think to be red means जब गुस्से में हम लाल हो जाते हैं एकदम से. It means when
Mm-hmm.
we are very angry. When I saw like some person are towing my car, that time I becoming too red. जैसे हमारा
Oh,
फेस
you
लाल हो
get
जाता है ना गुस्से में.
being red. Being red.
No, no, only red. Being red. लाल हो जाना एकदम गुस्से में.
Red. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Only red. Oh, I got it.
And third idiom, there is a one idiom also. Feeling blue. Feeling blue means
Feeling
feeling
blue.
sad.
Sad.
Feeling.
Mhm. This, I know
Yes.
this one. Yeah.
And fourth is green with envy. It means when we are jealous, watching someone's, new car, new achievements. That time we can
Mhm.
use this idiom green with envy.
Green with angry.
Envy, ENVY, envy. Envy
Envy.
means
Okay, envy.
yes,
Okay, okay. Jealous, jealous.
yes.
Okay.
And next is green thumb.
Green thumb. Okay. What does that mean?
When someone is expert to growing plants,
Oh, okay.
like
Green thumb.
my mother is a green thumb because she is expert in growing plants.
Okay, okay. I got it.
Now
Very
you can
useful.
have your. And one other is fish out of water. I think you know fish out of water.
Yeah, that means feeling uncomfortable.
Yes. Like I'm going to the party and sometimes I feel very awkward. That time I can use this idiom.
Okay, I can say. So, what I would like to share with you one idiom that is move heaven and earth. That means trying everything possible. That means I can move heaven and earth to learn English language. That means I can do anything,
Mm-hmm.
move heaven and earth. And one word that I would like to share that is feasible. Feasible, that means possible.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You were sharing feasible, I think.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, my aunt called me, so I think that's it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I feasible that means doable or similar word is sensible that
Mm-hmm.
possible. You can do that thing easily. For example, this project is feasible. That means this project is doable. I can do it easily. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Endorse is a verb that means to support something, to
Mm-hmm.
support or to validate or to advocate something.
Mm-hmm.
Endorse.
Mm-hmm.
And I also learned so many new things. A man of letter, that means who is scholar. A man of
Mm-hmm.
letter, that means who is scholar, well educated. And a man of straw, that means who is weak person, a weak person. That person can a man of straw. And a shade cheese, it is commonly used by photographers. While, for example, you have gone somewhere and you want to take pictures. So before taking pictures, photographers say shade cheese, shade cheese.
Hmm. And there is
It's a
one
name.
another idiom I'm sharing you. White lie. सफेद झूठ.
Okay, white line. Mm-hmm.
We can use this idiom when we are, like someone dressing is not good. Okay. And we are just
Mm-hmm.
praising without hurting their,
Without
feelings.
Okay. White lie. We say white lie that time.
Yes, white lie. And
And cold comfort, it is similar to that. Cold comfort, that means.
yes, yes, it is similar.
Hmm,
Hmm. And once in a blue moon, I think you are also aware, like rarely,
that's rare. That is rare. Yeah.
when we are meeting with someone and we are not meeting, frequently, that time we can use this idiom, once in a blue moon.
Yeah, you can say. Once in a blue moon. Yes.
Hmm. Any
And
other
a
book?
concur. Yeah, concur. Concur, that means to agree with something or someone. Always
Hmm.
I'm saying that I'm totally agree with you. We can say I concur with you. I consent with you. Consent, concur, agree, both means all means same.
Hmm. Hmm. So
And
what do you
dissent,
if we are sharing these kind of vocabulary and idioms? So what's your opinion? Is it really helpful
yeah,
for the
yeah, earlier I was uploading general conversations. So that time people used to watch those videos. But when I have started uploading this kind of videos, like I'm sharing words, idioms, and I'm also writing down all those idioms and words while I'm editing. So people are
Hmm.
watching those videos a lot, and I have gained a lot of watch time. I have get a good amount of watch time. People are watching this kind of videos because everyone is comfortable with general conversation. So everyone is trying to learn some new words, so they are preferring to watch this kind of videos. They're watching this kind of videos. I think it will help them.
And there is a one word also, flabbergasted, means astonished.
Flabbergasted. That means
Astonished.
surprised. Yeah.
Yes, astonished. Any other vocabulary? Do you have? Then you can share.
Yeah. Dissent means disagreement. It's
Okay.
opposite of agree. Dissent.
Mm-hmm. And there is one other word, drench. 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 Drench means wet.
Trench.
Wet.
Wait.
When someone is wet, we can use drench word. It is more, powerful word than wet. Yes.
Okay.
So I think it was a lovely conversation with you, and you have shared so many good vocabularies, and I have shared so many idioms also. I think it
Yes,
will be
I
helpful
learned
to
to.
learners.
Yeah, sure, definitely. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So
Bye.
have a nice Satakshi. Bye bye.
Bye.